In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step of removing negative feedback from your Amazon account. Now, I can't guarantee that all negative feedback is going to be removed from your account, but 99% of the time when I go to remove a negative feedback, Amazon will actually strike it out and remove it. There's terms of service that buyers have to follow, and many times they break them when they leave feedback. So let me share with you how to do this step by step. You're going to go to the top left-hand side of your screen, these three little bars. You're going to click it, and you're going to go to Performance, and you're going to go to Feedback Manager. Now, you have to make sure that you do this within, I believe, 3 months. If it's longer than 3 months, you're not going to be able to remove negative feedback. As you can see, my account has 386 ratings. I've gotten one negative feedback just recently. And if you scroll down, I actually had a couple negatives over the last few weeks, but I got them both removed, as you can see. But I just got one yesterday, and it said, this is the second time we received the wrong figure. So many times, feedback like that will get removed because many times, more often, it's Amazon's fault for shipping out the wrong item. So this is how you get the negative feedback removed. You're going to go here under Actions and click Request Removal. And then you're going to click that. And it says Amazon only removes the feedback in the following cases. Feedback includes obscene language. The feedback includes seller-specific, personally identifiable information. The feedback comment is a product review. Strike-through feedback regarding fulfillment or customer service. So this would definitely be based upon the fulfillment and customer service. So I'm almost like 100% positive it's going to get removed. Did the feedback meet in the criteria above? I'm going to hit yes, and you're going to watch this get removed. Yep, and there you go. We have reviewed the feedback and found it does not comply with our policies, so we have struck it through. So now when I refresh this page and I scroll down, check that out. Their feedback has been struck through, and a message from Amazon says this item was fulfilled by Amazon and we take responsibility. So as you can see right here, that feedback is gone. And now I'm back to 100% positive. This will take a few minutes to update right here. But as you can see, now I'm back to 100% positive feedback, no negatives. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about selling on Amazon and the different nuances and intricacies of the seller platform, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I appreciate you guys. Hit that thumbs up if this helped. See you in the next one. Bye.